Welcome guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Salbag, and for today's video, celebration lang ng birthday ni Lola. Dahil birthday na ni Lola ngayon! Yes! 75 birthday na ni Lola ngayon. So, tara samahan niyo ako mag-prepare and mag-ayos and ano na dyan kung ano-anong gagawin na magluto. At dahil special na araw ngayon ni Lola. Let's go!
Yeah, man. Trouble by session. Baby frozen tears, it was hard through the years. I'll never give up, never one on my dreams. And the deep beat inside is my love staying alive. Yeah, God only knows that I can't let you go. When I'm in love, it could be through better. I give you my heart forever and ever. No arms can never hold you more than I do. No man can never love you, no, it's true. No arms can never hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven.